Alrighty, what's going on, everyone? In the same spot, as you guys can see, really low tide. That's where we started fishing the last time. And then we ended up finding this, well, not finding, but just trying out this dock. So we're gonna try it again. That's where we got the rays. Well, my dad got the rays last week. But yeah, like I said, low tide, the water will be coming in soon. But yeah, for now, we're just gonna throw some squid out and hopefully hook on, baby. So yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty, as always, got our Penn Rampage 7 foot with our Megatron from KastKing. I put some new line on there, so I don't know if y'all can see that very well, but yeah, it's got a lot more excuse me, Jesus Christ, a lot more line on it. It's got 300 yards on it. I bought a spool of 300 yards. Oh crap, I realized, hold on one second, I gotta switch my handle over. Yeah, I'll do that after. We got a fish, ladies and gentlemen. We got a fish. It's a ray, full shore. We got a fish. Damn, I wish I had a net. Let me just pull it right over here. Oh, fuck. Maybe not. Got a fish on, baby. Feels pretty good. That's a little baby ray. That's actually a good size ray. Let's go over here. Got our ray. 8.9 pounds. Sweet. Just seen this. It's pretty crazy. It's like a dead crab. Pretty crazy, man. Bet you if it was nighttime, the raccoons would come out and eat that. The crab. But yeah, this is the juicy spot, man. This is my spot. Well, my dad found it, but yeah, I love this freaking spot, dude. It's cool. I just brought the ray up right here, grabbed it by the leader. That was all she wrote. But yeah, hopefully get hooked on again. That was my first, well, I don't know if you would really call it like first cast when you're bait fishing. But anyways, shit, awesome to get some fish, baby. Here's my setup. Pretty sweet. All right, hopefully it recorded. But yeah, it was a 8.9 pound stingray. Sweet, baby, not skunked. My first fish out of here, actually. Casting that same area right in this deep channel. Sweet, dude. Well, this 35-pound test lived up. Nice, baby. Not skunked, always a great feeling. But yeah, Now we just wait for another one. Sweet. Yeah, I was literally just showing you guys that little ray that was going through here, and then my line started going, so I was like, shoot, hook her on up. Yeah, sweet. Oh, that's a great feeling. Great feeling. No. Let's see if we still got the fish on. Nope. Yeah. It's kind of hard to get out of that thing.
When you're standing up, not when you're sitting down.
Yeah. Shit, had a bite. I'll toss it back out there for like 5 more minutes and rebait. Damn, I thought I had another one.
Switched it up every time. One time you catch it, one time I catch it.
Yeah, I was gonna put it right here. We got action. Jesus Christ, man. We got action.
That one?
Is it still on? I don't know. I think it's off. Yeah, it's off. What the hell? I wonder what's hitting and not freaking. That's so weird. That was on the top. Huh. So I guess you do gotta sit.
Yeah.
That's what happened on the chair.
I was thinking that might happen.
That just went, boom. I was like, why did my chair fall over? Huh. All right, well, they hit the top this time. Got another ray. I got it. It's a baby one. Got another ray.
Small one.
Yeah. Go over here to the pliers. You got the pliers? Got ourselves a little baby ray. This one's probably.
Where are they?
I was right on it. 4.13 ounces. A little 4-pounder. 4-pound baby ray. Get a nice little. I can't. Look at. Just release it like this. I want to get a better video of it releasing, but guess I had to do. There you go, sweetheart. Adios. Way bye bye. And there she goes. Goodbye. Yep, it's got an 8-pounder and a 4-pounder. Things are working out pretty good. Sweet. Pops has a fish on. Yeah, that's just taking it. I reel mine in. Or just go. Alrighty. Got her pull in. That's not a big ray. You pull it up.
I can get it. All right, thank you. Follow my pole. They're all small, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Place. 5.10. 5 pounds, 10 ounces. Got
Nice.
another ray on.
Yeah.
These are beautiful. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Nice release.
Nice.
There she going. Nice. We got 3 fish for the day so far.
Alright. About time we both caught fish.
Fishy fish, baby. Bam, we got a fish on. Just try to take it to the left.
Huh?
Try to take it to the left so I don't gotta take mine in. Damn, that just scared me. It just hit the floor. It's not bulletproof, but we're working on those pole holders. Your pole just hit the floor. Yeah, the pole holder didn't really work.
No, it's sitting there.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, wow, that's a small one.
Dude, you didn't even realize.
Yeah, that's the smallest one I ever seen. That's a baby.
Just reeling in. Oh, that's too funny. Need the pliers?
I don't know how to get that on the tail.
Oh,
I snagged it.
dude, you're just reeling in.
Look, I snagged it. It didn't even go in his mouth.
Oh, it's on the side. You want to weigh it? No, just kidding.
Yeah, 1 pound.
That's one you put in the fish tank. Nice.
Smallest one ever.
Yeah, literally the smallest one. Yeah, it's 2 fish. It
Yeah.
counts.
A fish is a fish.
Let's get a nice release.
Grow big and tall, baby.
Big and tall. Alrighty. 2 fish, 2 fish.
Yeah, 2 for 2.
2 for 2, baby. 2 for 2.